Hello fellas, I want to welcome you back to the channel. So as you know, here we give valuable information on investment, finance as well as personal growth. So today we are going to be breaking a news that was declared yesterday by the Lagos State government. We are going to be talking about the Lagos State government bond issuance. So the Lagos State government announced on Friday 12 September plans to raise 214.8 billion naira through bonds within the next 5 days. This was announced during a bond issuance event titled Investment Forum and Engagement with the Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, organized by the State Ministry of Finance and the Debt Management Office of Lagos State. He revealed how the cost of project has more than doubled compared to the cost 3 to 4 years ago as a result of inflation. So I made a video on Nigeria's highest inflation in 30 years, capturing 2023 to date. Please check it out to know what exactly the governor was referring to by alluding that the cost of carrying out projects has more than doubled 3 to 4 years ago. So this bond is divided into two categories. So the first category is a 200 billion naira in 10 years bond for infrastructure projects across different MDAs of the state. So the second category is a 14.8 billion naira green bond. These bonds proceeds will be channeled to environmental sustainable initiatives like renewable energy, climate change, sustainable water, etc. The Lagos State government is asking the investing market to work with them to raise 214.8 billion naira of capital, making it the largest bond issuance among subnationals in Africa as a whole. The lead issuing house, Chapel Hill Denham, says they will close this deal in 5 days and deliver the bond issuance proceeds to the government within 2 weeks at a 17% coupon rate, meaning you will get up to 17% annual interest on your bond investment. So guys, this is a clarion call because the last time this issuing house issued a bond, which was with the federal government, that was the federal government bond, it was oversubscribed by more than 150%. Implying that they are very good at bond management. In the next 2 weeks, this offer will be closed. Go to your banks to apply for this bond as soon as possible. I made a video on government bonds. I gave steps on how to acquire government bonds. Please look the video up and follow all the steps so that you can enjoy this very good opportunity. So I talked about oversubscription earlier. So I'm just going to explain the meaning of oversubscription so that you would know. Oversubscription simply means more demand than supply of a bond, which could lead to 1. Prorated allotment. So prorated allotment is simply reduction in the bond that a person or a corporation applies for due to oversubscription. So what the issuing houses could do, and this is what they do most of the time, is that they can give you half of the bond that you applied for, thereby giving room for other people to also share in the bond issuance. Issuer may increase the issue size, meaning that the issuing house can decide that, since the bond is being oversubscribed for, they can decide to increase the issuance. For example, in this case that we're having a 214.8 billion naira bond, if it was oversubscribed for say 300 billion, the issuing house could decide to raise up the issuing size just so that they can accommodate, so they can let a lot of people to share and enjoy the subscribed bonds. So the third situation that oversubscription could lead to is the fund of excess fund. So if the bond is oversubscribed for, the issuing house can decide to return the excess subscription to participants of the bond because they have a threshold, they have particular limit of funds that they want to raise. So if they see that the bonds were oversubscribed for, they can decide that we only need 214.8 billion naira. So even if they are having subscription running into 300 billion, they can decide to return the remaining amount of money. So as it stands, there is excess liquidity in the market as a lot of money is chasing safe returns, and bonds like this is highly sought out for because it's being issued by a very reputable government and your funds are as safe as possible in this type of bond. So I want to admonish you to kindly take action to have this 10-year bond, and you'll be getting about 17% annually as time goes by. I believe that this information reached you well, and you take positive action as to securing your financial independence. Thank you very much, and I see you on the next one.